Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today modern sofas are characterized by sleek lines, minimalist designs, and innovative features that set them apart from traditional sofa styles. Here are some key design elements of modern sofas. Clean lines. Modern sofas typically feature clean, straight lines with minimal ornamentation. The focus is on simplicity and elegance, creating a streamlined and contemporary look. Neutral colors. Modern sofas often come in neutral colors such as white, black, gray, or beige. These colors create a versatile and timeless aesthetic that can easily blend with different interior styles. Geometric shapes. Many modern sofas showcase geometric shapes and angular silhouettes. This design element adds a sense of sophistication and visual interest to the piece. High-quality materials. Modern sofas are crafted from high-quality materials such as leather, faux leather, fabric upholstery, and microfiber. These materials are chosen for their durability, comfort, and visual appeal. Innovative features. Modern sofas may incorporate innovative features such as adjustable headrests, reclining mechanisms, built-in storage compartments, USB charging ports, and LED lighting. These features enhance the functionality and comfort of the sofa. Modular design. Some modern sofas are designed in modular configurations, allowing you to customize the seating arrangement based on your needs. This flexibility makes modern sofas ideal for different room layouts. Mix of materials. Modern sofas may combine different materials such as metal, wood, and glass to create a unique and contemporary look. These mixed material designs add texture and visual interest to the sofa. Overall, modern sofa design focuses on blending style with functionality, creating pieces that are not only visually appealing but also practical and comfortable for everyday use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on art and creativity. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating.